Hi everyone, I thought I'd show you this lap book that I've made. It's really big, so I've taken the two journals that are inside it out, and I'll show you those in another video because there's lots and lots of things in this. It just makes it easier to open it and turn it around. This was actually made from two books. They were cookbooks that I got from the op shop. I think in America you call them thrift shops. And I made this big spine here. And, and these pictures here are from a calendar of birds. And then I've used Tim Holtz wallflower paper throughout it, and you can see this is where the two journals sit inside. So it just takes a bit of manoeuvring to get everything in focus. I'm going to stand up. Just a minute, just have to adjust it so it'll lean a little bit. There we go. So on this first page here, up here where there's a little tab here, it means it opens. So that opens up. On this side, we've got some of the cards from the paper which I've just put together with a little brad. And then here, we've got a little book with a bee on it. And I just got these stickers of mushrooms, which I really love. So this is a little mushroom book. With all those in, and then there's some more things from the paper, and I've just put writing paper on the back and a little mushroom. So where possible, I've put writing spaces in this. And then this is from the paper pad. And then here, there's a little attaché case, which I learned from a course how to make them from Tracy Fox. And inside there's a little book, butterflies. So in this one, what I did, I cut out different size circles and just put the butterflies on it. Little tags, again with the writing paper on the back. Beautiful pictures. And then we have another pocket with another book about birds. Again, this is from the calendar. It's a little, it says a robin, but different sort of robin. I presume that was on the calendar, and I presume it says birds. I've actually put some real feathers in here as well that I've collected just from my garden. The birds have dropped their feathers. So these pictures here on the back of the calendar, they had pictures of all the months on the back of it, so I used those in here. These were from a book of Australian birds. Didn't put the writing paper on the back of that. There's a little tag with two little tiny tags in it, birds that I found in my stash somewhere. Gorgeous squirrel stamp. Oh, this was from a storybook, which was, and it said, I thought all birds made their nest in trees because they'd found a nest on the ground of a bird. There's another one of those feathers. Anything else in there? Oh yes, in the back pocket there's an envelope. This here is a sticker that I put on it. And inside, again, I found these pictures in my stash, so I made them into journaling cards. So that is that, and a little butterfly there. It just does it by going around there. And then in the next section, this is Tim Holtz wallflower paper, and there was a bit of you can see there's a light piece there, and I thought I'll put something on that. So I made this little flip up to write in. A little bit of, I got some, together with the mushroom stamps, I got these with some birds and flowers as well. Not stamps, stickers. And then this, because it's got a flap on it, opens up. There's a beautiful picture from the calendar. Leave it like that, so now I'll put it back up. It's so big. So here there's a little tag. These are actually cigarette cards. My dad used to collect these cigarette cards, and I was never allowed to touch them because he had them in a little, they're Will's cigarette cards. He had them in a little box that he used to get out and show me, and then I saw them advertised on eBay and went, oh, I can actually touch them. So I bought them. A collage on there, there's a pocket there, and then there's a taller pocket here with another big tag on it, place to write. And then this opens up like that to another lovely bird calendar. And then here there's a pocket, and this one's a magnet envelope. It's got some little bird stickers on it and some more of those pretty cards inside. That sits in there, and we have a collage. And this is you can see it's a cabochon with dream in it. And then two big tags from the Tim Holtz paper. And they've got little tags on the back, place to write, and some of those little mushroom. It's so cute. Closes down there. Oops, wrong way. That way and that way. And then I'll close that up so we can come to this side. Look at a beautiful, beautiful paper. I love it. And then that opens to this side here. And then it's got a big envelope on it there. So we'll look at this side first. So here we have a journal, and I bought some of the Tim Holtz, this isn't the paper, this is vellum. For some reason my camera switched off at this point, so I'll just try and catch up with where I left off, so I'll probably repeat myself. This little book is made with Tim Holtz vellum. So what I've done is I've made it so that the pages flip up like that, so I can write underneath them. And again, they're beautiful images from the wallflower paper pack, but this is the vellum. And it's got little feathers down there and feathers in the corner. And then you open it up to here. And this little card I've discovered when I filmed it before and it cut itself off, but I haven't stuck these little cards in, so the two should be in there and one on the back. And then here there's a tag with another picture from that calendar and the beautiful paper. Bit of collaging on fabric and music paper. And then this side opens up here. I'll show you this. Sorry, it's very awkward to manipulate it so that you can actually see what I'm doing. I'll have to move that out a bit, I think, or move this over. Whoops. Sorry. Just put my finger over the lens on the iPad. So this again is the beautiful wallflower paper, and it opens up to another one of the beautiful calendar things. And in here, this is a page from, well, several pages from that book. And then here we have a little envelope which says specimens, and I made some there you go, there's entomology on it, papillon. Oh, and that's Tim Holtz washi tape on it as well. So then that closes down, and then to get this in, this lifts up, it's on a magnet. I've never thought of actually moving my iPad along to get it in before. It's balanced on some blocks and a plank on top of two coffee tables. So these are from the calendar, and then this paper here, I just love it. Oh, look at that. It's got beautiful little deers down here, butterflies, little birds, dragonflies, and that's magnetic like that. And then it opens up to this side, which has an envelope, and I've glued the envelope on so it's a pocket. It has this large tag with the little birds on it, some collaging on the back, and then in here on the sari silk we've got little birds. Oh, that wasn't actually an antique necklace that I found. And that's one of Tim Holtz metal things, says collections. And in here we have a pouch with these beautiful images, and another pouch. Oops. And some more lovely images. So I'll try and put these two videos together, and it seems to have recorded it. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.